Okay, here's Matthew on video, getting his special hat on as he works on the boat with Dad. Do you want to show how you unscrew those using the drill? Look at that. Whoa. Can you do another one, Bob?
Wendy?
Yeah?
What?
Who's Wendy? Me or Dad?
You're Wendy.
Okay.
I'm Spud.
Sucker.
I want to be Wendy. Bob can be Spud.
Okay, Bob, get to work. That's what Wendy does, is order around. All right. Nice job, Bob.
So what we did is we got these dry fitted. Now we're pulling them off to put glue on. And then we'll put them all back together in order. That's what we're doing.
All right. You guys sure a lot of good helpers there. I'm documenting. Wendy's documenting.
And I'm building.
You're building. So tell me about your fancy hat with the flashes. What's that for?
That's for when I go in the nighttime and work.
Oh.
Well, you check for leaks in the boat.
Oh, I see.
That's what it's for.
Yeah. Got it. So let's check out this boat. Oh.
Out battery.
Out of battery?
It is?
Well,
Well, it's still kind of going.
Okay.
So you don't have enough power to pull them out?
No.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Alright, let me put that one on the charger. I'll get you the red one.
Well, Bob, what are you going to do now?
I don't know. I'm using the screwdriver right here.
I don't think you'd be using that one. That would not be one to use.
You could plug that into the red one and you're good to go.
I'm good to go.
Okay, you good to go?
But I have another one. But I have another one.
Okay.
Okay, make sure you're only on 2 power before you run that. There you go.
It's on 2 power.
You're on 2 power?
See?
Okay.
Okay, go.
That one should be good in charge.
I'm using
This
it.
is like making me sweaty.
Shot. I'm gonna get him a shot. You got it.
Okay. I think that might be a little too big for him, Dad.
Well, that other one twists his wrist sometimes. Is that one too heavy? Well, give that other a little bit. I'll make some ribbons, then we'll go back. Get that other one a chance to charge up. We'll make some ribbons here.
Honey.